Hello everybody, welcome to Pragya's Commerce classes. So today we are going to start with the relationship between total utility and marginal utility. Yesterday we have spoken about utility and then features of utility, and after that meaning of total utility and marginal utility. And day before yesterday I have explained you the concept of utility with the cardinal utility as well as with the ordinal utility. So now the relationship between the total utility and marginal utility will be explained with the help of a table. So here it's a table that is representing. So this unit, that's it's 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These units are the quantity, or it's the quantity of a commodity that are being consumed by the consumer. Okay, and this is the total utility and this is marginal utility. Okay, so the formula of TU is sigma mu, right? So sigma mu, like 3 plus 3, then here is 3 when we are consuming 1 unit of commodity, and then after that 3 plus 2 5, then 5 plus 1 6, 6 plus 0 6, then 6 minus 1, it's a 5, right? So this is how the total utility has been calculated. Like if you want to calculate marginal utility, then how it will be calculated? So it's like 2n minus 2n minus 1. So 5 minus 3 is equals to 2, right? Then 6 minus 5 is equals to 1. Then 6 minus 6 equals to 0. Then 5 minus 6 is equals to minus 1. So this is how it has been calculated. Now let's assume, let's say the units that we are consuming, it's a mango. Okay, so table here representing is that if we consume 3 units of mangoes, if we are consuming 3 units of mangoes, then what is the change we are seeing? We are seeing that mu is decreasing. Okay, we are seeing that mu is decreasing, but tu is also increasing, but increase in tu is at diminishing rate. Increase in tu is at diminishing rate. So the first thing is this, that if the consumption of the commodity increases up to third unit, like 1, 2, 3, third unit, then tu increases at diminishing rate, but mu falls. The fall in mu is positive. Like here you can see that the fall in mu is positive. It is not negative. Okay, so that is the reason the mu is decreasing, but tu is increasing. Like 3, 5, 6, this is increasing, but increasing is at diminishing rate, and but here it's it's diminishing. Now what is the second thing that we are observing? The second thing that we are observing is that when the consumer consumes 4th unit of commodity, the value of TU remains constant. Like here the value of TU remains constant, it doesn't change, and that is the position where TU is at its maximum. This is the position when TU is at its maximum, and when TU will be at its maximum, then mu will be always 0. Remember this. Okay, when TU is at its maximum, mu will be always 0. So now the second point is, when we consume 4th piece of mango, value of TU is constant, right? Here we are saying there is no change. After 6, the only 6 is coming. So that is the reason the value of TU is constant, and this time TU is at its maximum and mu is 0. Okay, now after that what we are seeing the changes, like if we consume 5th unit of commodity, when we consume 5th unit of commodity, then we observe change on both, like TU is also changing and mu is also changing. But this time the major change that we are seeing in TU is that TU decreases. What is doing? TU is decreases, but this TU is decreases at diminishing rate. But here mu not only becomes 0, but it becomes negative. Okay, so this is the relationship between total utility and marginal utility. So in brief it can be explained with, so first thing is this, that TU is equals to sigma mu, and second thing is this, that TU increases so long as mu is positive. Like when TU increases, it means that TU will only increase at increase at diminishing rate only when mu is positive. Okay, but mu is falling, but the fall in mu is positive, it is not negative. Till then only TU will increase. Like if you see in the table, mu is decreasing, right? But the fall in mu is positive, it is not negative. These are the positive values. But here tu is increasing, but the increase in tu is at diminishing rate. Okay. Now the third thing is this, that when tu is maximum, mu becomes 0. Now fourth thing that we are going to see, like see, at fourth unit of commodity, tu is at its maximum, mu becomes 0. And the fourth point is when mu is negative, tu starts diminishing. What does tu do? Tu starts diminishing. Here you can see that we are observing a change in tu, like tu is decreasing, but when tu is decreasing, mu becomes negative. And the last point that we are going to write is decreasing mu implies that tu is increasing at a decreasing rate, which means when mu is decreasing, it means tu is increasing, but the increase in tu will be always in diminishing rate. Decreasing rate or diminishing is the same. Okay. So now the next question that I have for you is, it's a homework, at which rate tu increases when mu is diminishing. Okay, so this is the relationship between total utility and marginal utility. I hope the concept is clear to you, and if you face any problem, then please drop a comment. I will be happy to help you with. And the question that I have for you is, at which rate tu increases when mu is diminishing? Please drop a comment, and tomorrow I will let you know with the answer. And tomorrow the next topic that I will be covering is law of diminishing marginal utility. And let's hope tomorrow we'll be covering with the new topic, and I hope everything is clear to you regarding the utility concept forwarded by the total utility and marginal utility. So law of diminishing marginal utility is a very new topic for all of you, and it's one of the most interesting topic as well, because when we are talking about consumer equilibrium, it is one of the most important topic to cover up with, because law itself is something which is very important, can't be changed. We have to learn as it is, the meaning has been given to us. So I'm going to explain it with the help of a graph as well as with the help of a table. So be prepared. Firstly, learn all these are the basic concepts that you should be aware before starting with the consumer equilibrium concept. Okay, and if you face any problem, then please let me know. Okay, thank you, and please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye.